the border Rambler here again. Back out. Been a while. Well, a few weeks. Been busy with work and other things. The wife's had a little operation. She's back home recuperating. Kids still to look after. So I was down in Loughborough yesterday with the boy, which was a bit of a hike. Inter-counties cross-country race, which was a bit of a mud fest. So this is the first sort of free day that I've had. So I'm on a Recce mission. Hopefully going to get out on a wild camp in the next week, possibly 2 weeks, just depending on the shift pattern, days off and whatever. So I've got an idea where I'm going, or should I say where I want to camp. It's just whether it's suitable for the tent. So that's basically, it's about a 3-mile hike from the car, and just a little, most of that's on forest track, and then just a little bit across sort of some moor, maybe half a mile, if maybe a bit less. So it shouldn't be too bad. There's a little bit of snow lying about here and there. Alright, just getting started. Ready to get up on the hill. A bit overcast. Forecast is to get out a bit later on though. So we'll see if it appears. You never know. Just got to give it a go. Get the gaiters on for up here. It's alright when you're on the tracks, but as soon as you get off, it's a nightmare. Just got the wee Osprey Talon today, just a day bag, but it's enough for what I want, what I need. Just got a bit of food in and stove for a brew. Anyhow, let's get on the road. Water running, but you can't see it. Come out of the trees, landed a place called Round Crag. I'll have a bit explore around here. Little spots here, pitching the tent, flatten that tether down, it's not too bad. Decent views down the valley and the clag lifts. This looks not a bad little location. Putting the tent sort of up there. Little patio area on the rocks. Yeah, it's not a bad place up here. Bit of a dodgy area, I can hear running water, but I cannot see what's under us. It's over a foot deep and it runs out there. Ideal if you've got a sledge with you, right down that, straight down, nice clear one. Nice supply of drinking water, as long as there's an outlying deed upstream in it. Nice if you filtered it, boiled it, always safe. Right, we're at the south edges of the long bar. There's some sort of decent spot you could stick a tent out here. You're sort of sheltered with these rocks behind you. You know, if the wind was blown across from this way, definitely takes that chill off. But yeah, it's not a bad area up here. It's heavy going coming across from Round Crag. So peat haggy stuff, you know, and the heavy going at the best of the time. But with snow, it's double trouble. But we've got across. We've had to cross a few. Here there's running water underneath, and you know there's obviously a little stream or something, but you don't know where the hell it is. So yeah, you look for just a little tuff sticking out of the snow. Try and jump on them, and you know that you're sort of on sort of terra firma there. But yeah, it's not a bad little area here. So that's, I don't know if you can see that. That was the crags that I stopped on the first wild camp a couple of weeks ago when we had no snow. There's a little bit of snow in there. But yeah, there's some decent views right around here. So yeah, let's crack on and head over to the long bar. Well, we're on the long bar. Little cairn there, across to Crispy Crags. Apparently this stone here was supposed to be getting used as a replacement for Bewcastle Cross, which obviously lost its head many years ago. Whether this is just myth, I don't know, but I'll let you do the research. Yeah, so we're on the long bar. So this area here, obviously there's a big clump of snow sticking here at the moment. Got some rocks here. This looks a nice little camp. Quite sheltered, excellent views. Across the crags, right across the forest towards the borders. Sort of, that's what the canopy area over there. Yeah, I mean, flag's lifting a little bit now, but it's taken a long time to burn off. I thought it would have been well clear by now. But it's dry, that's the main thing. Better than what it was yesterday, I suppose. Well, sun's out. Got a brew. Hardly any wind here at all. This is a perfect spot. Great vantage point. Now, have a bite to eat. And we'll put this down as a fairly successful recce. We've probably found a few locations on that side of the hill over there. I've done that side. This is a good little location. That one over there is another good little location. Really sheltered with the rocks behind. Need the snow to disappear, so I'll see what ground's underneath. Might run away a bit. But there's plenty of little bits round about. Anyhow, bite to eat. Right, that's us packed up, ready to head back down. But yeah, it's been a decent afternoon out. Got a couple of places in mind, so you know, it makes life a bit easier when you know where you're going, how long it's going to take, such like. So yeah, let's crack on over that hill. Some more trudging to do. Don't do that peat stuff. Alright, that's us done for today. Gonna head back down. See, we've done what we needed to do. We've got plenty of locations now for some camps. Just need to get the time off to do these, hopefully very soon. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
on from there. Right along that ridge line. Through this fence. Heavy going.